Hello, students. Welcome to Smart Vakta. Let's have a small activity. Today, we are going to see an essay on a great personality who fought her complete life for the woman education in India. Write in comments and say, I support woman education. Let us see how many of you do that. Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule, the first female teacher of the first women's school in India, is a great personality. She fought against the dominant caste system and worked towards the upliftment of the woman education. She demanded dignity for all women, for which she, along with her husband, Jyotirao Phule, worked their entire lives. The principles of humanity, equality, liberty, and justice were of utmost importance to her. During a time when women were treated just as mere objects, she ignited a spark that led to equality in education, something which was impossible before. She strongly spoke against the discriminatory boundaries imposed on women which led to their oppression. Her emphasis on secular education for every woman in India is the marker of her significant personality. By getting to know her better, by understanding her struggles and hardships, we will be looking into a life that not only changed the face of education in India, but also enlightened humanity in its real essence. Savitribai, along with Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, fought for the rights of not only women but also Dalits and backward castes. Both of them bravely faced the obstacle thrown at them by people in favor of male dominance. They carried on their struggle for gender equality and fight against caste system in spite of tremendous maltreatment by the conservative people of that time. So having these many hard problems, Savitribai and Jyotirao Phule managed to start and progress women education in India. Salute to both of them, and just remember the activity which I have just told you at the beginning of this video. I will be waiting for you in comments. Till then, boys and girls, see you soon.